Hi, it's Charlie from Yorkshire Pergolas. It's Thursday, the 19th of September. We're just in our favourite bar in El Cortillo in Fuerteventura. I just wanted to show you this structure here because this is one structures just like this many years ago that inspired me to set up Yorkshire Pergolas. It's a very simple structure in so much as nothing moves, as in the roof. It's just this architectural sort of surround system they've put up to create this canopy. Just looks amazing. Speakers, music, all in white. Just a really very simple, inexpensive structure, obviously with the roof not moving. That adds quite a nice touch of class. So obviously, if you want to get in touch with us, it'd be great to hear from you. And thanks for watching all our videos. Much appreciated, but we do them for you. So give us a call on our number or website and speak to you soon. Thanks. Bye.